Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix net colon ERR underscore cert underscore invalid in Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to clear the browser's cached and cookies. Simply proceed to your Chrome, make a right click, and click for open so that you can enter. So expand it first. Navigate to the three dots here at the top right corner, click on it, scroll down, click for settings. Once you have being navigated to the Chrome settings, proceed to the left side of that, click for privacy and security. Under privacy and security section, you can find here delete browsing data. Mark all of the boxes here, click for delete data. Wait for some time until this would be done. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to temporarily disable the antivirus or firewall. How we can do that? Proceed here at the bottom search bar, type for panel. Once done typing, you can find here control panel system. Proceed to the right side of that and click for open so that you can continue. First, change the view like this. Proceed to view by, click on this down arrow key, click for large icons. Then proceed to the fourth column, click for Windows Defender Firewall. And from here, proceed to the left navigation, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, click on it. And both under private and public network settings, turn it off. Click for OK. Once done, you need to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to update your browser. So sometimes updating the browser may solve the issue. Proceed to the Chrome again, make a right click, click for open so that you can proceed. Now expand it first. Navigate to the three dots again at the top right corner. Click on it. Scroll down. Navigate your cursor to the help and this ones would appear. Proceed to about Google Chrome. And under the Chrome settings help, there you can see about Chrome section where here it will automatically check for updates. So mine is up to date, but in your case, if not, don't worry because it will automatically update it for you. So wait until it would be done and it will ask you to relaunch your the Google Chrome so that you can completely update it. Once done, you need to check if the error has been fixed. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.